So here's how we can draw on the iPad and transfer that to a document, right? So let me explain all of the possible things. Let's get started. If it's your first time here, subscribe so you never miss anything. So you have more places where you can draw on the iPad. For example, I know a lot of people who just open up the Notes app and just enable the pencil tool and you can draw whatever you want in here, right? So that would make sense. You can just play with that, right? And in order to export it to the Documents app, you can always click on the Share option and click on More. So you can tap on the Print option, and this puts the whole note as a PDF, which you can export it by clicking the Share again and save it as a PDF document with your drawing into the Documents app, right? So that would be one way of doing that. Outside of that, if you want to put that specific drawing into some different document, you can always just capture a screenshot of the page, of the whole screen, cut out or trim it so only the selected area is visible, and this gets saved to the gallery. And then if you're working with your documents, for example, in the Apple Pages app or Google Docs, you can just click on the plus button and import the image from the gallery with your drawing right there. So that would also work if you need it to appear to be part of a document, not as a separate thing in the Files app. So as I say, it really depends on where you want to put the drawing, right? A lot of different apps even have their own dedicated drawing section built in. Like if we open up the Pages app, right, and you can go to an existing project in here, you can as well just tap on the image icon and literally insert the drawing. Like you can literally draw on the document right away within the editor. So if you want to do that, you can do it right away in here. So as I say, more options are available, depends on what the goal is. So if there is something I didn't actually cover, then let me know about it below. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it, but for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.